Hi everyone, I'm Jay. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how I made this deliciously spicy sweet potato satay curry. First I'll start by peeling my sweet potatoes. I'll be using 3 medium-sized ones. Then I'll chop them all into medium-sized cubes. Next I'll chop a medium-sized onion. In a pan I heat 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. Once the oil is hot, I'll sweat off my chopped onions. I'm not looking to brown them, I just want them to soften. Now that the onions are soft, I'll add 2 cloves of crushed garlic. And a half teaspoon of grated fresh ginger. I've given the sweet potatoes a wash before adding them to the pot as well. Now I'll add some coconut milk and boiling hot water from the kettle. Next I add some Thai red curry paste to taste. Once the Thai paste is stirred in and I'm happy with the amount, next I'll add some pure peanut butter. This has nothing added to it, it's just crushed peanuts. So I give that all a good stir and then pop the lid on, and I'll check every few minutes or so in between and stir until the potatoes are nice and soft. So the sweet potatoes are nice and soft now. I've washed 3 big handfuls of baby spinach and I'll pop those in. It'll only take a few minutes for the spinach to wilt down. Now I'll add a generous amount of salt to taste. And there it is, sweet potato satay curry, deliciously creamy and packed with flavour. I hope you've enjoyed today's recipe. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more delicious recipes like this. Thank you so much for watching. Take good care of yourselves and I will see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.